Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Presenting the heart of the Tantra. Then the Lord of Secrets, the Great Mighty One, the embodiment of the glorious heart of enlightenment, keeper of the lotus eye, questioned the great Vajradhara Vajrasattva with his clarity. O teacher, Vajradhara king, Vajradhara who has no measure, I am the mind itself, the most secret of the secrets. The body of the Dharma is beyond speech. Space is our true dominion. The circle of clear light is the same for us all. We sit in a dominion that has 6 circles. Our transferring embodiments have 5 greatnesses. One thing is certain, and we do not leave it behind. You are the nature of the sky. You are not blissful, you are not sorrowful. You have nothing to take up or to reject. You were not born. You do not end. You are neither eternal nor annihilated. You have no color or shape. You are beyond complications. For these reasons, O you Blessed One, speak out this Tantra that is unwritten. Seek out the purpose that has no birth or ending. Teach this space in which awareness is self-originating. Let out the meaning of magnificent and self-originating space. Why is there a sky that is self-originating and pure? Why does the magnificent space of our minds arise? Why do we say anything about what is not to be studied? Why is it that birth and death are neither joined nor separated? Why is it that we have had no journey or quest from the beginning? What are the rituals for this king of vehicles? What is the space of primordial Buddhahood? How are Buddhas and sentient beings one? What is the way in which our presence is the equal of the sky? What are the proofs for our analogies and our ways? How do we look at our ideas and our obstructions? What is the measure of a magnificent pervasion? What are the ways in which we are or are not rewarded? What are the ways in which the characteristics of this appear? When we are joined into an equality with the end of the sky, what is the way for us to protect living things?